Look, I'm tired and this is my butterfly, okay? We're just gonna take it like this. Who told me to try color? Who told me to try this much color the first time? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tobie. So in case you can tell from the thumbnail, I'm going to be doing the butterfly makeup trend that's like been going around. It's like eyeshadow, but you do it in the shape of a butterfly. So I'm just doing my makeup foundation real quickly. You guys have seen me do this a bunch of times. Going in with my Becca foundation and just putting that all over my face and blending it out. Guys, this makeup look you guys can see from the intro, like it did not turn out the way I wanted it to turn out, okay? I do not know what happened. I don't know who I was thinking I was trying to like do this much color on my eyes the very first time. Anyway, I'm blending out my foundation, you know, just doing the routine that I normally do, trying to have some fun with it and whatnot. But yeah, like I like the trend, like I've been seeing in a lot of people, and I like, you know, the makeup. I like what it looks like. And then I was thinking I could also do the same thing, and I'm just like, Tobie, these people are out of your league. You don't even know. Like, you don't know what's happening. You don't know about it. You just don't. But anyway, taking my James Charles palette. So this was my first time actually using this palette, so I was super excited. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm laying down the purple color, but yeah, I think there's a lot of fallout, so I had to put down some powder, but I'm putting the purple color down first. So you just have to lay that color down and just keep blending, and you need to check to make sure that, you know, the shape is forming the way you want it to form. I'm telling you guys what to do as if I knew what I was doing, but I really didn't. Then I'm taking that pink shade to kind of soften the purple shade, just blending that on top, checking. The shape was looking nice at first. I don't know what happened. Now I'm doing the bottom side of the wing. Yeah, you guys can tell from my face, I had no idea what I'm doing. I have like literally no idea. But I'm putting down that purple color in my lower lash and just trying to form the bottom half of the butterfly, I guess. And yeah, just blending. I'm feeling myself now. You just wait. And now I'm taking this blue shade and I'm putting that. You guys, at this point, I think I was just like, this is so confusing. I had to literally abandon that other eye and just move on to the next eye, and that one seemed to be working out a little bit better. So I'm putting that blue shade around. Look at you feeling yourself. Just continue. I'm putting that blue shade around the purple, and I'm so sorry that the eyeshadow palette is actually covering what I'm doing, but you guys can see it on this other eye. But I'm just using that blue shade and I'm just using it to kind of like go around the purple. Yeah, I know, girl, I know. Okay, so I had to stop and just do the other eye completely off camera because this was stressing the hell out of me. Like, this took me forever to do, but I'm taking the green shade and I'm going around the blue. This is what I saw the girl do in like the 1 minute video that I watched. I should probably have watched more tutorials before I did this, but I was just like, hey, I can do it, I got this. I did not have this, y'all. So next I went in with a yellow shade and I'm putting that around the green, just blending that out, trying to form some sort of butterfly. Yeah, girl, I know. So now I'm going to go ahead and use concealer to clean up my lids. Well, I already did the other eye, but I'm using concealer to clean up this one lid that I haven't done, and I'm going to do the same thing that I did on the other eye on this lid. So I'm mixing those two pink shades, and that's what's going to be on like the lid, like the middle part of the lid right next to the purple. Just tapping that on and blending, and then I had to go back in with that purple shade to kind of like just clean everything up. And now I'm going in with the yellow eyeshadow in the inner corner. I mixed 2 yellow shades just to like blend everything together, make it bright enough. But look, I'm tired and this is my butterfly, okay? We're just gonna take it like this. Who told me to try color? Who told me to try this much color the first time that I'm using color? I'm tired. I'm tired. I feel crazy. I'm tired. I'm gonna finish. And I was just so tired. I was so tired. So now I'm going in my lower lash and I'm just blending out that pink shade that I used in the center down there to kind of just blend everything together and make it look like a butterfly to the best of my abilities. And now I'm going in with the white liner and I'm using that to line my waterline just to make my eyes pop a little bit. Now for mascara, I'm gonna put that in my lower lash. I'm just putting some gold color, I think, in my inner corner and moving on to lashes. Those are on. And then my lips. And that's my BFF4 lip liner from ColourPop. And then I'm going in with this Ellery lipstick called Anyways, also from ColourPop. I love ColourPop, guys. So now I'm setting with my Morphe Satin Mist. And it actually didn't come out looking as bad as it was at some point. I think the setting spray was what I needed to bring it together, but I'm really feeling myself at the end. This is not how I was feeling while I was doing this, guys. Like, I struggled, but I think I tried. What do you guys think? If you guys think I did something, like, I can definitely do more looks like this. Actually, no, I don't want to. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this type of look, let me know. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, share this video, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.